Zoom in. See, he threw out this kale because he thought it was bad and it wasn't gonna grow anymore. But yeah, now it's starting to grow again. Just a little bit. So you're flipped upside down.
Okay, so I got a couple of bins here and some soil. I am planning to plant some kale and some watermelons in the bin. Not going to put those in the ground since I couldn't figure out where to plant them, and I know that the watermelons can kind of grow a little bit crazy. We decided on putting it in the bins, so I'll give an update on that later. To go down. Look what we found. 2 of these babies, and they're seated. So I'm gonna get these seeds ready to go into my bin out there of soil. Nope, I've never done that before, but what the heck, I can try it. Okay, here's the kale.
Yeah, come on.
Not bad. I'm about to put some watermelon seeds in this one. Thought about just drying them out and going through all of that, and I'm like, you know what, why dry them out if we can just keep them wet? And actually my little ones suggested it, my girls. So I'll see what happens. I've got nothing to lose. Okay, so look at what's happening to those watermelon seeds that I put in this bin, y'all. Check this out, son. So at the same time that I had planted the seeds for the kale, I prepared the bin for the watermelon seeds. And I thought I had to go through this process of drying them out. You know, I rinsed them off and all that good stuff, but I thought I had to go through this lengthy process. And I'll tell you what, my daughters, they told me, Mom, why are you going to dry them out just to put them back into the soil and wet them all up again? Because that's what you really have to do whenever you plant your seeds, right? You have to follow it up with a lot of water. So yeah, out of the mouth of our babes, right? You got to listen to them. They know what they're talking about. I want to just show you that we drilled a couple holes. I don't know if you can see that. We drilled a couple holes in the bottom. There's one there, and there's one there. Because both of these bins had set out for a while, and the rains were here, coming down something crazy here in Florida. So this bin was actually full of a lot of water, and we drained most of it out. But this was very, very wet soil. So I'm thinking that had a lot to do with helping this to sprout so quickly. I encourage you to get your own seeded watermelons, save those seeds, and plant them because you can get them to grow. And look, this is in a container. I'm outside. It's not in the ground, but look, it's growing. So, okay, so this is the result of all of those watermelon seeds that I dropped into this bin of soil. This is what happened.